Zeb, we're gonna say we're here. All right, guys, we've been trying to deal with the heat as well as we can. I'm gonna let you and Zeb get in the back. Okay, jump, Zeb. We're getting we got an Airbnb that has air conditioning, so we're on our way there right now. Hold on. How are you? So we're not going very far. We're gonna, you know the monument, the surf monument?
Yeah.
Yeah, over there.
Ya vas.
Sí, de la playa.
Monumento del surfista.
Sí, sí. Oh. Surf set. Oh, it's right here. It's fine. Thank you, bro.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Thank you. That's cool. There we go, Zeb. I'm not sure who we talked to here. I'm not sure who. It's one of these cabins. We're not sure how to check in here. I messaged her. She has not gotten back to me yet. So maybe I'll try calling her. So your host, call the host. Here we go. We're just trying to get checked in. Hello, is this Karen? Hi, Karen. This is Shane. We're here at the Airbnb, and we didn't know which one or where to go. Okay, thank you. Here we go. Come on, Zeb, this way. Yeah, see. How are you? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you.
Where are you from?
From America.
America. I'm from Egypt.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet my wife, Stacy. Okay. Come on, Zeb, over here.
I'm here because my wife is British Ecuadorian.
Oh, okay.
Ora Tito Margarita. Sí, sí.
This is the best cabana.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
I haven't seen anything else like
Hey.
To us.
Yeah.
I'm here to take shower.
I see. Gracias, bro. Thank you, thank you.
Use Wi-Fi.
Okay, Wi-Fi, perfect. Yeah. Air conditioning.
Everything,
Oh my God. Gracias. Thank you, bro. I'll see you around. Thank you. Zeb, is this nice and cool? Zeb, it is nice and cool. Zeb is happy to be out of the heat. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Here's our Wi-Fi router right there. Nice painting. He said this is our hammock here. We're right on the beach. Look at this. Come on, man. $35 a night. This is awesome. Look at this. We got a shower. We got a bathroom. What? Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm super happy. Like, you know, we're gonna make some food. We got a freaking stove. We got water. We're ready to go, man. You know, I'm gonna have some water right now because I'm kind of thirsty after all this. We got wine glasses in case you want to get a bottle of wine later. Cheers.
Thank you, Shane. It's nice to get a break.
Little staycation, man.
It's so hot, and we're really thankful for the cabin. We were thinking for Zeb too. He would appreciate it.
This is hot, man. It's very, very hot in that cabin. And like all we have are the fans. But it's hot, it's humid, and
Sometimes it's hotter inside than outside.
even if me and Stacy can tolerate the heat, we need to remember that Zeb is 9 years old, and in human years, that's like a 63-year-old man. And the heat can be hard on old dogs, so we've got to think about Zeb too. Right, Zeb? Are you happy to be here in the air conditioning? Yes, he is. He's happy. He's a handsome boy. Give me dad kisses. Yeah, I love you. I told you we get to go somewhere nice. All right, guys. We got Zeb all comfortable. He is so happy and thankful to be in an air conditioning room right now, and the marble or tile is nice and cool, and he's so happy to take a nice cool nap. Thank God for air conditioning. Thank God for the ocean, beautiful view out there. And we're gonna go, me and Stacey are gonna go explore, check it out, maybe find a pina colada or something. Crazy, that little thing.
I know, right? Zeb is unbothered.
There we go. Go for a walk. You wanna check this out? How are you? Hi.
Hello.
Are you guys serving drinks?
Yes, please.
Yes. You have what do you have?
Our favorite one is just the cabo fruit, like strawberries.
Okay.
Vodka inside with ice. For now, for the whole battery is perfect.
Okay.
No names, nothing special.
That sounds
just
good.
Pure fruit with the vodka.
Sounds good. Can we get those?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, thank
You
you.
wait like 15 minutes. Is okay for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
We just finished one. And
Oh yeah, take your time.
Okay.
No rush, no rush. We
See-
just got here. We just checked into a cabin here. So.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hey, what's your name, bro? What's your name?
David.
Shane.
And you are from?
We're from America.
Ah, okay.
Yes, from the States.
You're welcome.
We've been here for 2 months already, so we're here for a while.
Oh,
Yeah. So, but maybe one more
hope you
month.
will like it here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, thank you. Look at these sandwiches, Stacey. Check these out.
I'm not actually. I'm just wearing clothes to their house.
All right, guys, we just ordered a couple beverages. They have no name, but they sounded really good. So it's nice to just be somewhere different for a while because we've been at the same spot for over 2 months now. Change of scenery is nice. We got the point right down there. You can see the point over there. And then downtown Montanita is down that way. Looks like I had a volleyball net here at one point.
I forgot my sunglasses, you guys. And Shane almost went back and grabbed them for me, but I was like, don't worry about it.
If you wait long enough.
Someone will come along and offer for me to buy something. They always have sunglasses out here. I know, right? I bought a pair of sunglasses one time when I forgot them last time. I think they're only like $10 or something like that though. They're really cheap.
I told you, if you waited long enough, someone was gonna come through. Someone would come through selling sunglasses, and here we go right now. Stacy, what did I tell you? If you wait long enough,
You just told me.
someone will come along, and Stacy will be able to buy a pair of sunglasses. There we go. And he's got a mirror.
Oh, nice. Does it make me look sad like a fly? I feel like I look
You
like
look a fly.
I look like a fly. Like not fly, but I look like a fly. These match my swimsuit? Yeah, I like these. Okay. This one?
Thank you, bro. I told you. I told you. What did I tell you?
And they match my swimsuit. Yay. What do they look like?
$10 delivered to you,
On the beach.
delivered to your face on the beach.
Delivered to my
$10.
face.
Gracias. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But we're back in the room. Stacy made Zeb some amazing food here, which is raw food. We cut up some beef, and we've got zucchini and carrots, and we put an egg in there, and he loves it.
Papaya and banana too.
And papaya and banana, and he's definitely enjoyed the air conditioning. But guys, we've got a storm brewing out here, and it is getting very windy out here right now, and I think you can start to see the rain coming down on the ocean. That's what it looks like. Like, look at it out there. It looks wild. I bet you it's gonna start downpouring here in a minute. And we got our bikes here now. Zeb, you wanna come check it out?
We can lock the bike.
You wanna check it out? We got our bikes here. Yeah, it's getting windy. Got a storm brewing.
Wild.
Wow, there's people surfing out there. Wow. There's a lot of people surfing out there. Is it crazy? I'm feeling raindrops, guys. I'm feeling the raindrops. All right, guys, so we just ordered a couple more drinks here, and we got these nice chairs where we can sit And look at the ocean. Man, this storm is just brewing right now. Yeah, they're not coming in. They're not coming in. They're riding these things. Our drinks have arrived, and we can watch the storm roll in. All right, guys, we're out here finishing our beverage. And the storm did not hit as hard as we thought it would. It like rained a little bit, but that was it. Now the sky is actually clearing up now. Look at this. That's crazy. And I thought it was gonna hail and there was gonna be a storm and the wind was gonna blow this roof off and chairs were gonna go flying. But none of that happened.
I think it's gonna be.
That was a lame storm.
I think it's gonna be a beautiful sunset.
Yeah, it might turn out to be a beautiful sunset.
It's gonna be the most beautiful sunset we've ever seen.
Well, there's the sunset. Didn't see that coming. Yeah. All right, guys, we are winding down with a glass of wine.
Winding down.
In our room here, got the little light going on, nice and peaceful. Zeb's very content. But we just opened up the curtain here because, you know, we wanted to see the ocean out here. But look what we got going on outside here. There's freaking cows out here. There's a cow laying down right there. And there's more. There's cows.
The window's a little fuzzy. Huh?
Yeah, the windows are fuzzy, but
The top one was good.
the cows are out here, man.
They must come out there because the sand is softer to sleep on.
That is so cool, though.
They always come to the ocean.
Like, how cool can this place get?
So cool.
Have a good night, guys.